Hello, my beautiful people. How are you today? All right, we're back here with another episode here at Renew's Garage. Today, we are going to change oil. So I'm just going to walk you through on how to change oil for 2005 BMW X5. Let's go, guys. So here we have 36 socket, number 36 socket that we are going to remove. This is where the oil filter is located. So 36, number 36 socket that we're going to use. There you go. As you can see it. Yeah. Let me drain the oil first, then I remove that. So this is the oil housing. Let me just be ready. All right, fellas. Here we have oil draining plug right here. Yeah, right here. And I have the pan right here. So we're going to. Alright, so I have 17mm socket that I'm going to use to remove the draining plug. There you go. So it's draining. I'm gonna let it drain till the end. As you can see, the oil is still draining. I'm gonna let it drain until the end. Okay, here we have the oil filter that we are going to replace right now for this BMW oil filter. So that filter is gonna go right here. Right here. I've already used 36mm to remove it. 36mm. There you go. Now it's going in here. Just make sure it's all lined up properly. That's 36. So when I bought the filter came with a oil plug washer. So I'm gonna replace it. This is the oil plug, the old washer and the new one. I'm going to replace it with the new one. Why not? Provide it for free. There you go. Give it the same size. Yeah, all same size. There you go. This is the old one. I'm gonna toss it out. Put back the draining plug. Just make sure that it's lined up properly so that you don't shred it. And you know, the drain plug, you don't tighten it so tight, you just tighten it moderately if you don't have the torque. Just don't, it's good to go. And we're done with that. See this oil? If you don't know the measurement of oil that you need to put in there, you put this in a container to measure it. I have an old container here that I'm going to use. Now we are going to put oil. This is where you're going to put oil. 5 quarts. And so this is the oil that I bought. It's Castrol. It's a high mileage. It's a high mileage car. And it's 5 quarts that I'm going to put in there. So as I measured the oil that came out of here, it's 5 quarts, and this is the remainder. This is probably a quart. So typically we are going to put 6 quarts in here. All right. All right, just have to make sure that you clean your engine very well. So with BMW, you'll have to reset the oil. I'm gonna show you. I have a scanner that can reset the oil. So you better check the dipstick and see the level of the oil. I know the car is tilted upwards, so I won't get the good measurement. You can see the oil is still here, but because the car is tilted upward, so I will not be able to get the full measurement. Check your drain plug. If there's nothing coming out, you can see the drain plug is tight. It's no oil leak or something. There's nothing in there. All right, good. All right, on BMW you can see this. This tells you the oil change level. So if it's full with the amber, that means the oil is new. But you can see the oil change was almost due. The red yellow, which means that you are on the threshold. You need to change the oil immediately. So we are going to reset that. All right, so now we are going to reset the oil. So press and hold this button. Put the ignition to the position 1. Continue pressing it until you see the reset button flash. Release. Press it once more until it starts flashing. Release, then press it again. All right, so that should reset it. That's how you reset the oil change. So you can see it's now full. So that means the oil change is up to date. Okay, see, it's full now. Great.